little bit assertive, like his singing style is like, how's my stormy weather now? All right, today I'm checking out Echo and the Bunnymen. I'm listening to the song Stormy Weather. Let's get into it.
Stormy weather now. Is he gonna change? Can we be like everyone, pretending that there's nothing wrong? Remember when we walked upon clouds that never rain? And I need it more than love, and I love it more than life. To shine this night, can you ever wonder why I make you laugh and cry, eclipsing all your summer skies? But something's never changed, and I need it more than love, and I love it more than life, and I want those stars above to shine this night. You want it, you got it. There's nothing chained down. You need it, I'll steal it. Just put your name down. I'll put my name down. Like everyone, pretending that there's nothing wrong. Remember when we walked upon, remember when we walked upon, remember when we walked upon, remember when we walked upon clouds that never rain, but every cloud burst rain. And I need it more than love, and I love it more than life, and I want those stars above to shine this night. You want it, you got it.
Okay, I felt like I was stuck in the chorus. I think I'm still in the chorus. I don't know, the chorus is really long or something. We can back it up a little bit. This song is pretty chill. You know what I mean? It's a pretty chill song. I feel like if this was just an instrumental, I wouldn't know if I'd be like, oh, this sounds happy or this sounds sad. To me, it could go, nah, it's got to lean a little bit sad, doesn't it? Because it got those elongated notes, maybe with a slide or something like that. I don't know, but I guess the song is lyrically just about getting back together. Can we pretend everything's perfect? Like those Facebook couples that act like everything's perfect, but you know them in real life and everything is not perfect. I think it's like that. Can we pretend everything's perfect and get back together now? Whoop-de-woo, I guess they're going through a rough patch. That's the stormy weather, right?
And I need it more than love, and I love it more than life, and I want those stars above to shine this night. You want it, you got it. There's nothing chained down. You need it, I'll steal it. Just put your name down. I'll put my name down. You want it,
They chill song. I felt like the emotional transfer in the vocals was really good. They felt heartfelt. I don't know. They felt super sad or super, but they felt heartfelt. I felt like he was being honest and also a little bit assertive. Like his singing style was like, "How's my stormy weather now?" It wasn't like, "How's my stormy weather now?" No, seemed like probably pretty assertive, dominant guy. And he's opening up and like pouring his heart out to us about how his relationship is going. It felt quite emotional, but not super sad. You know what I mean? Just not super sad. He's just like, this is what it is.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. We to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know.